Another important thing to consider when extending pull to the supply chain is that you will need to increase the number of deliveries that occur and lower the amount that is delivered in each delivery. A good rule of thumb to follow is to not have your deliveries be any more than the number of hours that you are open. For example, if you're open 8 hours, you could have up to 8 deliveries per day. This will drastically reduce the amount of inventory you are receiving, the size of vehicles needed, and the number of people it will take to move the orders through the system. If possible, you may consider having your vendors deliver directly to a point. This will reduce the manpower that you need to receive and move items, and it will place the inventory right at the point of use. Remember that if you're going to attempt to accomplish this, though, you first need to focus on cross-training everyone in receiving and possibly an inspection.